Hey there, friends! It's me, Learning Leo. Are you up for an adventure today? Come on, let's drive around and see what we can find. Today, we will be learning all about ascending and descending orders. Have you heard of those before? They're a funny pair that mean opposite things. When we say numbers are arranged in ascending order, we mean they are arranged from smallest to largest. When we look at the numbers, the values are increasing. Ascending means we are arranging numbers to increase in value as we read them. When we say numbers are arranged in descending order, we mean they are arranged from largest to smallest. As you read the numbers, their values go from largest to smallest, greatest to least. Look, we're at the park, and someone has put numbers on the grass. We can play with them and see if they're in ascending or descending order. Let's look at these numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Are they arranged in ascending or descending order? That's right! They're in ascending order. The value of the numbers is going from smallest to largest. What about if we order the numbers in the opposite way? From 5, 4, 3, 2, and then 1. Is that in ascending or descending order? That's right! The numbers are now in descending order. They're going from biggest to smallest. If we look at their values, they're going from highest to lowest. That's what descending order means. Numbers don't have to be right next to each other or sequential to be ordered in ascending or descending order. That means they don't have to be next to each other when we count normally. What matters is that their values are different from each other, and we can clearly arrange them by this basis. Look at this! Look! There are scattered numbers everywhere. How about we help them clean up and arrange the numbers we see in ascending and descending order? What about the numbers 3, 12, 9, 55, and 11? Can you arrange them in ascending order? Right now, they're just a jumble. Wow! That's right! To arrange these numbers in ascending order would be 3, 9, 11, 12, and 55. The values of the numbers are going up as we arrange them. Can you try arranging the same numbers in descending order? What would that be? That's right! You are really good at this. It would be 55, 12, 11, 9, and 3. The values of the numbers when arranged like this are going down in value. They are in descending order. Well, that sure was a fun set of exercises. I love experimenting new ways that we can think about and learn from numbers. Ascending and descending orders help us see the value of numbers and put them into patterns or relationships with other numbers. It's a great thing to know, and you sure did learn fast. I'm glad we were able to learn about ordering numbers today. But I'm even more glad that I have you, dear friend, along for the ride. Thank you so much for learning and playing with me today. Looks like I made it home. I hope to see you next time. Thank you for coming with me on another episode of Ride Along Learning. If you like this video and want to watch more episodes of Ride Along Learning, don't forget to subscribe to I Am Learning. You can ask an adult to help you if you don't know how. I hope to see you next time, friend. I'm Learning Leo, and have an amazing day. Science buddy. Gosh.
Science buddy.
Gusto mo ba ilagay ko?
Driving buddy. Huwag yan sa science na yun. Safety, sorry. Safety
Sige
tayo.
pa.